Do you need a hassle-free dumpster rental in Newton, Kansas, for your upcoming project? Look no further than English Rentals. Recognizing the critical importance of efficient waste disposal, we offer an extensive selection of dumpster sizes tailored to suit projects of any scale. Whether you're embarking on a home renovation, overseeing a construction site, or managing a commercial project, English Rentals has the ideal dumpster to meet your specific requirements. At English Rentals, our mission extends beyond the provision of dumpsters. We aspire to be your dependable partner in achieving seamless waste management solutions. Choosing English Rentals grants you access to a diverse range of high-quality dumpsters and ensures a service level that prioritizes efficiency and convenience. Our dedicated team guarantees prompt delivery and pickup, respecting your property and schedule. At English Rentals, we pride ourselves on our commitment to customer satisfaction and environmental responsibility. Make your next project a success. Visit our website at www.englishrentals.com dumpster rental Newton KS or call us at 316-217-1625 to explore our varied offerings and transparent pricing. Allow us to simplify your waste management experience with stress-free and efficient solutions. Contact us today and discover the difference with English Rentals, where your satisfaction is our top priority.